Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today we're going to be talking about how to pack jewelry for travel. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. As a jewelry designer, one of my most dreaded things about traveling is actually traveling with my jewelry, because as you guys know, it's super hard. It gets tangled, your necklaces get in a knot. It's just so annoying. So over the years, I have totally perfected this from jewelry shows, leisure travel and whatever. So we're going to go over some of the best ways to travel with your jewelry without getting it all knotted up and totally tangled. So my go-to method for packing my jewelry is always with the jewelry roll. And this is kind of a big one because obviously I've had to, travel with tons of jewelry for different jewelry and art festivals, but you can get these on Amazon for super cheap. As you can see, I have like a velvet one and it has Velcro, so it's easy to roll up, super soft, and it keeps everything perfectly organized. And it just so happens that I'm actually leaving today to go down to South Florida to visit our family. So this is actually like the perfect video for me to make today. So this way I can pack up all my jewelry. So once you open your jewelry roll, you could see I have all these little snaps on there, and I'm actually just gonna put my jewelry directly into those snaps and show you guys how it works. So it's super easy. All I do is I take my jewelry, I put it into one of these little holders, and then I just snap it up. And now you can see I could literally shake this all around. Imagine this in like my suitcase on the airplane if I'm traveling in a car. Literally stays perfect, zero tangle, and literally this is like a lifesaver. And then all I do is just fold it up and I roll it up, and I have a perfectly tiny little jewelry roll case, and everything is not tangled, super organized. As soon as I get to the hotel, I always undo it, make sure everything is good to go. That's truly my #1 tip. If you are going on a trip, let's say really soon, and you don't have time to run to the store or get this shipped by Amazon, that's okay. There's so many different things you can use in your house that you probably never even thought of. So a lot of people have those little pill cases that say like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so on. Those are actually a perfect way to travel with your jewelry as well. Now, obviously, if you're trying to travel with huge statement pieces, it's not going to be able to fit. But if you have like rings or earrings or small dainty necklaces, this is like a great option if you just need something in a quick fix. Those pill cases are perfect and keep it totally organized. Another great way to travel with your jewelry is if you don't have the things that we already talked about, that's fine. If you have straws at home, you can actually use straws for a necklace organizer. So what you're going to do is you actually just feed your necklace into the straw tube, and then you hook it around the other side. So this way the straw is going to keep it like really strong, and there will be zero way for that to tangle. And then I would recommend rolling that into like a napkin or into a paper towel just to keep it nice and straight. Another method for traveling would definitely be with an empty paper towel holder or an empty toilet paper roll. And it would be the same method as the straw method. So you literally just feed the jewelry through, clip it around, and it will keep that from shifting and moving perfectly. And if all else fails, you can always take like a washcloth or a hand towel and kind of use it like this roll method. Lay it flat on the table, put your jewelry in, and then just roll it very gently and slowly. And I would actually tie it with like a band or some sort of tie just to keep it in place. And some of these methods I've used a million times. They work awesome. So I know you guys will be ready for your next vacation. And if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, make sure you check out the links in the descriptions below to help support the channel. If you want to learn more about all things fashion, jewelry, and LaCkore Couture, click one of the videos above me, and I'll see you in the next one.